Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to find and replace text in Google Docs. To find a word in a Google Doc on a PC or Mac, you can use the Find in Document function by pressing Ctrl+F on a PC keyboard or Command+F on a Mac keyboard. If the word or phrase appears multiple times in the document, you can use the up and down arrow buttons to navigate through the results. To find and replace a word or phrase, you can use the Find and Replace tool. On a PC, press Ctrl+H on your keyboard, or on a Mac, press Command+Shift+H. Alternatively, you can click on Edit at the top of the screen and select Find and Replace. In the Find and Replace window, you can search for any text within your document and replace it with any text you type into the Replace With field. Finally, click the Replace button to replace the text. To search in Google Docs on your mobile device, open the document you wish to search through, then press the three dots button in the top right corner. From the subsequent drop-down menu, select Find and Replace. Enter the text you wish to search for in the Find field at the top of the screen, then select the Enter or Search button on your virtual keyboard. If you wish to replace the found text, press the three dots button in the top right corner, then select Replace or Replace All. That's it. Thank you for watching.